Hi guys, Raz here, and today we'll be looking at adding and subtracting fractions. So they're pretty much the same thing. I'm going to do two examples back to back with the same numbers. So when we're adding fractions, what we need to do is look for a lowest common multiple of the denominator. Easiest way to do this is multiply these numbers by each other. So we're going to times the 2/3 by 11 on top and bottom. And we need to times the 11 by 3 on the top and the bottom. Yes, we're expressing them as equivalent fractions so we can then add, because when we're adding fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. So rewriting this, we have 22 over 33 plus 21 over 33, which just gives us 43 over 33. Yeah, so we do not add the bottoms together, they stay the same. And you need to remember that it's the hardest of the fractions. Yeah, so don't think the answer is going to be 9 over 14, because that is too easy. If it's too good to be true, exactly, it probably is. But when we are subtracting fractions, we do the same thing, but instead, at this point, we would subtract instead of adding. The answer to the question on the right, we would have 22 take away 21 over 33, which would give us 1 over 33. Yeah, and that's it. But the process is the same. It's just that final step, instead of adding the fractions together, we subtract them. So let's do an example. What have I got next? A mixed number. So I'm going to write these top heavy. You don't have to when you're adding fractions, but I'm just going to keep a consistent method because those, without any issues, won't be watching the video. So if you have any issues with it, I'd say write them as top heavy fractions. So we've got 10 over 3 plus 5 over 4. So we need to do what first? That's right. We need to times this one by 4 on the top and the bottom. And then, exactly, the other one by 3. So we're going to write the fraction out of 12, and we've got 40 plus 15, which gives us 55 over 12. Yeah? Yeah, I'm not going to bother simplifying it in general because that's for a different video. That'd be our answer. I said that, now I'm going to simplify because I can't help myself. We've got 12 goes into 55 4 times, because 12 times 4 is 48. And that will be remainder 7. So that is what it would be as a mixed number. And the last example, I've got a subtraction. So first we write this as top heavy fraction. We've got 11 over 2 minus 7 over 4. Now, if I'm clever here, I can realise that the lowest common multiple of 2 and 4 is, well done, 4. So if we just multiply this by 2, it will be easier than doing the cross multiplying. So what we have now is 22 over 4 minus 7 over 4. So all we have to do is subtract the tops. So 22 take away 7 is 15. So we get 15 over 4, which is 3 3/4. Yeah. If I've lost you, I'm going to do it the robotic way and just times everything by each other. Yes, so we got 3 3/4 as our first answer. I'm going to see that we get the same. So we've got 11 over 2 take away 7 over 4. We're going to times this one by 4 and this one by 2. And so it's going to all be over 8 this time. 44 take away 14 is 30. Can we simplify that? Yeah, we halve the top and the bottom, we get 15/4, which gives us 3 3/4. Yep, so that's adding and subtracting fractions. I hope that's made sense. See you again soon.